Good morning to all. Once a stone thrown by an old woman at a tree to fetch a mango accidentally hit Shivaji, and he forgave her and rewarded her with the wealth that would support her to the rest of her life. On this, Shivaji quoted, "If a tree which is not a highly elevated living entity can be so tolerant and merciful to give sweet mangoes even when hit by anyone, being a king, should I not be more merciful and tolerant than the tree?" That was Shivaji, who stressed on the importance of a ruler demonstrating tolerance and responsibility towards his subjects. The creator and founder of the Maratha Empire, Chhatrapati Shivaji, was born in 1630 at Shivneri Fort near Pune. Shiv Jayanti is celebrated on February 19 every year in his honor. One of the bravest and enlightened rulers of the Indian history, Chhatrapati Shivaji is a legend for all times. His stupendous achievements carved him a unique place in the annals of this nation. He was a lover of freedom. His life was a mission in which he sought to give freedom to anyone and everyone through his warfare and administration. He stood up to challenges bravely and overcame the odds he faced on the way diligently. Shivaji established a royal name for himself in history and known for his bravery and tactics with which he won numerous wars against the Mughals. He was the first to realize the importance of having a naval force and established a navy and forts at the coastline to defend the Konkan side of Maharashtra, and became the father of Indian Navy. He successfully led and cleverly marshaled his forces to cope and overcome several major enemy invasions using guerrilla warfare techniques. He opposed all kinds of violence, harassment, and dishonor against women. My dear friends, a greater part of Shivaji's achievements were due to his smart and clever moves than the power of weapons or the size of his army. With smaller armies, he created terror in the minds of enemies. He quoted, "Each person should get an education, because during a war, the thing which not be achieved by strength, that can be achieved by knowledge and tricks. And the knowledge comes from education." Thank you. Have a nice day.